Welcome back to our channel, and more specifically my part of the channel, which is kind of about GR Yaris's and other car stuff. Today I've got a Maxton lip. It's basically a company that do a load of fairly cheap and easy to fix parts for various cars, and one of their big markets, it seems, is the GR Yaris at the moment. You can get parts for like Fiestas and, you know, Golfs, things like that. This is basically just like a small lip that you put on the back of the car. You can get it in 3 different finishes. You can get a gloss, which is this one. You can get like a carbon effect, and you can also get like just like a rough, you know, unfinished kind of plastic look, which I think, and this is one of my gripes with this product, is the back of it is like a matte, like just an unfinished textured plastic, whilst the top of it, which to be fair is the important part, is gloss. So I think I'd prefer gloss both sides, but you know, you can't get everything. One of my little gripes with it as well is where the 3M tape, which is used to fix it to the car, they've actually DA'd it to key the tape to the plastic, and in places you can see where the DA may have gone a little bit too far. So I think if you're buying one of these, just make sure you get one that doesn't show up when it's actually, you know, fixed onto the car. This cost me about 125 quid. I noticed there's a couple of 5% like discount codes if you're a new customer. And that's about it. I'm not going to bore you to death with this. Cost about 125 quid. I think the carbon effect one was a little bit more, like 135. I'll put them on the screen. But yeah, I'm not going to bore you to death with how to fix it. Basically, mark it up with some masking tape, get it in the middle, stick it down. And you've also got like a little white, 3M white with it, just to make sure the sellotape adheres to the car enough, and a little sticker. So let's go see what it looks like on the car. So to start with, I washed the rear lip of the car, and then I used the 3M contaminant remover just to make sure that so there's a clean surface to stick the wing to. Then I took some masking tape just so I could mark up the corners of the rear lip, and then I did like a bit of a test fit, and then I used just like a pencil just to mark round the corner where I wanted the lip to sit on the rear wing. Then I took the 3M tape off and then kind of sat the centre of the lip on the wing, and then just made sure that both sides would be lined up, and then remove the masking tape. As you can see, it looks pretty sturdy and it looks central. Just make sure you take any excess masking tape off, because you could easily trap it underneath the tape. Pretty happy with that. It looks quite nice. All my reservations have kind of gone away, because it looks pretty good on, to be fair. I haven't used a heat gun to like glue it down even more, because it's actually quite a warm day, so the black plastic on the back of the car is pretty toasty already, so it should be fine. But yeah, it's it kind of seated itself, because the car has naturally got 2 lines on it that are actually moulded into the rear wing. So yeah, kind of just sat on there and went straight down. So yeah, I'd recommend this if you wanted something that didn't require drilling or anything like that, but you wanted something a little bit more on the rear wing of this car. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe see you in another one soon.